Hey there, I'm so excited to share with you how this blueprint works, how you can use this proven digital blueprint to grow your own successful online business. In this community, there is so much support. They give you step-by-step video tutorials showing you exactly how to implement everything. And if you get stuck, there is tech support and calls, and even done for you services that are available to help. It's really awesome. Let me show you what I mean. This is our digital community page where all the programs are that you've purchased. Here you can see that you'll get access to the Launchpad as well as the digital blueprint that I've been talking about. What's also so great is that you get access to exclusive digital growth bonuses. Just look at this. They give you a crash course in Canva and 200 digital product ideas. This means that you don't have to sell the product that they are giving you, but you have the freedom to make your own. You can take this business and put your own print on it. It's so exciting because it means that the opportunities are endless. Inside of your program, they will show you step-by-step video tutorials. Let me show you. So if you go back here to resume course or to view all my products, you will see that here they are all sitting on your dashboard. They never go away. It's all at your own speed and time. So you click on the one that you want to do, and then you go down and all the video tutorials are sitting here. They welcome you. They tell you what to expect, where to find your products, how to set up your own website, a launch kit for your own business, everything that you need. It's really, really amazing. And not only that, but they also give you access to a free community where you can share your ideas, your concerns, and get daily trainings and Zoom trainings to help you to make a success of this. They also help you to create your own website. I mean, look at this. They've done everything for me. All I had to do was to give my information of how I wanted the website to look, and they've made it my own. They show you exactly what you need to do, and here they give a short description of who you are and why it is that you actually chose this program and why you believe in it. It teaches you how to make $300 following a 2-hour workday. And isn't that amazing for moms like you and I, people that just want to be able to work from home and provide for our family, but not be overwhelmed by the stress of every day? I think that is so awesome. All right, so in these step-by-step video tutorials, there will also be tech support to help you. Why I've joined and invested in this program is because it has a proven plan that actually works. It's not only that I want to grow my income, but I also want to develop new skills that are going to help me stand out from the rest. As we know, the digital realm is booming and it's going to become a $1 trillion industry. Now is the time to invest. I mean, look, the numbers speak for themselves. If $300 a day, that means that's over $1,000 a week, which means so many dollars a month. It means you can make serious income potential with no overhead costs. Look at this community. So many people are hitting their goals with the system. And the best part is that you don't have to market only on this business, but you can apply these strategies to your own business as well. You only need to take 30 minutes a day posting free ads, and the other hour and a half you spend creating content and making other posts that will attract people to your business. The rest of the day, the automated system works for you. So you could say it's automation made simple. When someone opts in through your personalized website, they'll immediately receive an automated email. And they give you customizable email templates that you can use to make your own. So you don't have to go and think of your own information that you need to type in there. They give it to you. They give it to you and you make it your own. I mean, isn't that so amazing? Right. So again, why have I chosen this program and what is my mission? I want to be able to help moms like me to stay home with their families, or to help anyone that's drowning in debt to search for a way out. This system is my roadmap. My little boy is 2 and he's in a daycare, and I would do anything to be able to keep him home with me, but our financial situation just cannot take it right now. But I know with this system that's all going to change, and I want you to be able to go on this journey too. There are so many moms on here that have left their corporate jobs or their everyday 9 to 5 and are making such amazing success and being at home with kids. I mean, how amazing is that? So this whole program actually works as your freedom machine. They're also going to teach you how to master social media. So get training on how to leverage TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and how all these platforms work for you. It's really simple because they show you exactly what to do, how to use ChatGPT. Everything is basically there for you. You just need to be coachable and consistent and believe that this can change your life. And it's going to relieve that financial pressure, just like it is for me. If you don't take this risk now, you will never know what can be. So there's no reason that you can't do this. If people like you and me can make this work, as I've seen in this community, I know that you will be able to too. You can find my website link in the description below, or you can reach out to me by email or comment if you have any questions. If everyone can do it, we can do it too, and I know you can do it too. I'm really excited for you to go on this journey with me. This opportunity has transformed my life, and I know it can change yours too.